listen to Bakersfield anytime. But this view is limited.
Did you say it was lit?
Limited.
Limited. That's better. I thought you said this view was lit.
This view is lit. Weird, or at least it is to me, how smooth it is, like between the peaks.
Yeah.
I would not have been confident that I wasn't going to die. That there was anything, like, okay, because the only thing keeping me from seeing further is the atmosphere and my eyeballs limitations at this point.
I've made it to the Griffith Observatory.
I don't know what that says, but it's not Hollywood.
That is weird. I don't know, it looks like they put other signs over it. I don't know why.
I think they did.
We later found out that the sign was changed because the LA Rams won the Super Bowl. Time to go to Santa Monica Pier. We finally made it to the West Coast. Santa Monica, California. Yeah, I guess we could have parked there.
Oh, it's cold inside.
I can already feel the cold.
This is the stuff, right?
No,
Touched it?
barely.
I've touched it. My feet are wet.
Oh my god, that's like an icicle.
The water comes way, way further in.
Yeah.
but it's not still breaking. Like usually at Myrtle Beach, like it finally has that one last little break, you know, and then it comes like another foot and it's done. Like here, it breaks way out there and comes like forever more.
I think our time at Santa Monica has come to an end. And after leaving Santa Monica, we decided to drive up the coast to Malibu and watch the sunset. Something else that's been on our bucket list for a long time. Driving up the Pacific coast, and our goal is to get a beautiful sunset, and we have stopped at the Point Dune or Dune Point State Park. We're going to be propped up here in the sand up against this water to get a sunset. And I'm going to leave the GoPro on the time lapse so we'll be able to see it good. But this has definitely been a beautiful drive. It's going to be a memorable sunset if I don't fall in the sand. And there's Ashley. I don't do much product endorsement, but I gotta tell you, Hey Dudes are the best beach shoe. Let's see what Ashley's doing.
There was a mudslide.
It's okay.
Still the perfect spot.
Still the perfect spot.
Back up or move forward.
We'll just sit up against it.
I know it's freezing cold because I've already done it, but I really want to go put my feet back in the water.
So go do it. This is so fantastic, and maybe it's just because we're chilling, we're not running around doing stuff, but this is the life right here. I love it.